How are you doing? Welcome to Niall's Music Lessons. As any self-respecting movie fan knows, it all goes back to 1985. If you don't know what I'm referring to, check out this link up here. Here's a huge hit with a really strange key change. Nice and easy to play and bursting with energy. I'm Niall and today I'm going to show you how to play Talking Heads and She Was.
Very nice.
Now I'm playing this D'Angelico Brooklyn, unplugged, with a 0.73mm nylon pick. It gives me a nice bright tone, but it's not so flimsy that it makes that playing card in the spokes sound. Now you've just got a handful of chords in this, you've got a nice solid rhythm, you've got 3, or you could call it 4 different parts of the song. And it starts off with an E and an A, like this. So all I'm doing there is my heel of my hand is nicely anchored on the bridge here. I'm doing a downstroke sort of on the bass strings here. We'll say 6th and 5th strings, but slightly palm muted. If you don't know what palm muting is, check out this link up here. I've done a video explaining that. So you do your downstroke, then you do a little down somewhere around the 4th or 3rd strings, and then you do a staccato up on the treble strings like this. Staccato meaning, as soon as I pick it, I put my hand back on the strings, like this. But faster. So it sounds like this. And then you go back to the bass strings. So that's just 4 strokes. Then you do the same thing on the A chord, but of course your bass for the A chord is the 5th string. Move your hand down slightly. Same pattern, and then just 1 downstroke on the bass string, back on the E chord. Now you completely mute all the strings, do 2 nice aggressive downs on the bass strings, and then a sweep across all the strings, still muted. That sort of emulates a snare drum sound. So all of that, the E, the A, and the muted rhythm goes like this. Now here comes that strange key change. So the verse is in E, the pre-chorus is in F, an unrelated key entirely to E major. So it just jumps without any preparation, but it sounds great. So here we go. That pre-chorus goes B flat, F. Now I just do F here with my thumb hooked over. It's up to you if you want to do a bar chord. Then you got a C sus4, so that's a C chord, with your first finger leaning down on the 1st string as well. It sounds like this. There's only 1 more chord in that pre-chorus, that's a G7. And the chords change quite quickly, so I'm going to do it slowly for you first. If you have any trouble with it, just go back a few seconds in the video, play it again. Try and play along with me. So that pre-chorus goes 3, 4. And you're back into the verse. So that was slowly. I'm going to play it up to tempo now. 3, 4. And then we're into the chorus, which is basically the same as the verse, but it's got a D in it. So that goes E, A, D, A. So that D is just 2 upstrokes. First one staccato, second one leading back into the A. And up to speed. is left to do is the bridge. That's a B minor 7, an A and a G. So the rhythm pattern on the B minor 7 is like this. And you're back into a chorus. Up to speed. And that's how you play And She Was by Talking Heads. I hope you found the video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I love comments. If there's a song you'd like to learn that I haven't done, please drop a comment below and I'll try and get back to you on it. While you're down there, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel here, watch a similar video up here, or my latest video just over here. Thanks again for watching. Leave your guitar out where you can see it and keep on learning.